Because the actual data on LLM referral traffic growth is pretty hard to ignore.
It's wild.
It's not just like a little bump.
It's not like a little nudge. No. The analysis we looked at showed an eightfold increase.
Eightfold.
Eightfold increase in referral traffic from LLMs since March of 2024.
Wow.
And that's compared to the average traffic from LLMs for the entire year before that.
Okay.
That's huge. That just shows how much more common these models are becoming as a way for people to find websites.
8 times more traffic. Yeah, that's not insignificant.
It's a serious shift in behavior online.
Yeah. Okay, so eightfold growth. Big deal.
Yeah.
But then there's this weird twist in the data. The dip in LLM traffic we saw in December 2024.
Yeah, weird, right?
That's kind of counterintuitive, especially with all the holiday shopping going on.
Yeah, you'd think.
Oh,
You'd think you'd see a spike in online activity, referrals, everything.
Exactly.
So this dip suggests that maybe the way people were using LLMs during the holidays was different, or maybe the models themselves were prioritizing different types of responses.
Interesting.
It's definitely a question mark.
Yeah.
As we get more data over time,
Yeah.
it'll be really fascinating to see if that was just a blip or a sign of something bigger.
Yeah, because it could be that people were using LLMs more for quick gift ideas right there within the platform rather than clicking through to product pages.
That's possible. It might have been more about that immediate information.
Yeah, less browsing, more like, I need an answer now.
Right, exactly.
Okay, so overall LLM traffic way up, but with some interesting wrinkles.
For sure.
So now let's talk about which LLMs are actually sending this traffic and what the market share looks like.
Yeah.
Our sources had some pretty clear winners, right?
Oh, yeah. What was really fascinating was how much ChatGPT dominated when it came to sending those referrals.
Okay.
Especially since August of 2024.
Hmm.
And what's interesting is the data show that early in the year, it was kind of a mixed bag.
Oh, really?
Yeah, different referring URLs coming from OpenAI and Microsoft.
Okay.
But then it all consolidated under that chatgpt.com domain, which, kind of gives you a peek into that whole OpenAI Microsoft relationship.
Right, of course.
That URL shift probably reflects a more streamlined approach to how they're giving information and tracking traffic.
Yeah, less messy.
And that's especially interesting given Microsoft powers Bing.
Right, right.
So yeah, that URL consolidation definitely suggests a more unified approach.